simple.
again was
Yeah.
what?
245.
2.8 million in 4 weeks. I've at least have written down of people who've come out in a phone call and said, oh, I got 728. Oh, I got 525 in a TSP. Oh, I got 290 here. Oh, I got 100 here.
I might get $100,000 to $200,000 annuity and about $1,500 monthly premium.
Looks to be, I'm going to be writing a $240,000 annuity and $1,000 a month UL. So that's about $26,000 in commissions.
Nice.
I'm working your program, and I think I'm doing pretty good for the first month. I think I probably have about 40,000 in pending business and a couple 100,000 in annuity business and sales.
It's 7.5, so it's going to be around 67.
It's a good one.
Yeah.
Stack more of those.
Pretty happy with the ROI so far.
Yeah, so I was able to close a few annuities and IULs. I actually have an appointment today with one of those, just reaching back out to them using the same verbiage you guys talk about.
So I'll be doing like a $250,000 annuity for them. You know, the commission will be like 17 grand or something. I'm going to be on here for friggin' life.